If you want your boyfriend to French kiss you, start by setting the mood. Wait for a time when you're both relaxed and feeling romantic, and build up to the main event with some sweet, tender kisses. Try opening your mouth a little and lightly rubbing your tongue over his lips as you kiss him. If he seems into it and opens his mouth in response, gently push the tip of your tongue into his mouth. This might be enough to get him to French kiss you back on his own. If he's not taking the hint, or if you're not sure how he'll react, ask him directly. Say something like, "I'd really love to try French kissing you," or "I've never French kissed anyone before, but I'd like to do it with you. Are you okay with that?" If he doesn't want to French kiss you, be patient and respect his decision. Some guys just aren't into it, or he might need more time before he's ready.